Welcome to a video by Abron Demo. These are the models, big one for the hospital or medical colleges or pharmacy demonstration. This is adult mosquito where it reaches you. These all these wings are attached, but this has to be attached by you. Both these wings will come in the separately, and it's very easy to attach. These are two holes. You can attach it here. Similarly, you can attach the other side also. The difference is they're standing, the proboscis, and this one is the one which is culprit of dengue fever, which is also called the locally sometime in our area it is tiger. One stripes are there. So this is one, and their style you can see their style, and these are the four different kinds of. These are female and this is a male, and the style is a different one. We are sending these models to foreign countries, and these are the special models which are available with us. We can all have all the bigger models for all different kind of models. Please send us an email abron01@gmail.com or info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 9992222 Another is 94160200018. We have got all the models. Human torso models are also there like this, and human heart, big heart, small hearts, joints, skeletal models, and these all models are available of the human, animals, insects, and of the teaching and other uses. Thank you very much.